AI is powerful, but only when you know how to talk to it. Hi, this is Subhashini. Welcome to Module 1, Prompt Engineering Foundations, the skill that transforms you from a casual AI user into a confident, high productivity power user. Let's get you from guessing to guiding, so your AI delivers exactly what you need, reliably, repeatedly, and fast. So, what exactly is prompt engineering? Think of it as the art and science of designing the right instructions for generative AI systems like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Copilot. It's how you convert your intent into machine understanding. Whether you're documenting a BRD, generating test cases, summarizing interviews, debugging code, or drafting emails, good prompts save time, improve accuracy, and give you predictable results. That bridge is your advantage. Now let's look at what makes a good prompt. A powerful structure you'll use throughout this course is the RTCF Framework. 1. Role. Who should the AI act as? Example. Act as a software tester. 2. Task. What do you want? Generate test cases for login validation. 3. Context. What background does it need? App uses OAuth 2 and two-factor authentication. 4. Format. What structure should the answer follow? Give the output in Gherkin syntax. This simple formula brings consistency to documentation, QA, coding, writing across your entire team. Different tasks need different prompting styles. Zero short prompting. No examples, just a direct instruction. Summarize this BRD in 5 key points. Few short prompting. You give 1 to 2 examples to set the tone and structure. Perfect for consistent formats like bug reports or emails. Chain of thought prompting, ask the model to think step by step. This improves accuracy for reasoning tasks like debugging code, generating SQL, or breaking down problems. Choose the right door for the job. That's prompt strategy. Let's talk about the tools you'll be using. ChatGPT is your all-rounder. Writing, coding, analysis. Claude shines with long documents and structured summaries. GitHub Copilot sits inside VS Code or JetBrains and completes your code in real time. Google Gemini handles multimodal prompts and integrates beautifully with Sheets and Docs. And Microsoft 365 Copilot helps you automate internal communication, Word summaries, Excel formulas, Teams recaps, Outlook drafts. Each tool has a superpower, and you'll explore them hands-on. Here's a quick example. ChatGPT generating Python pseudocode and Copilot finishing the same code automatically. Compare clarity and speed side by side. You'll compare readability, documentation quality, and execution time, just like in real project workflows. AI becomes even more powerful when teams collaborate. In Google Docs, you can co-create prompts, maintain a shared prompt repository, and iterate together. In Google Colab, analysts and developers test AI-generated Python code in real time. Product teams draft BRDs, QA teams refine test cases, developers debug, all in one shared environment. This removes rework, increases transparency, and builds a repeatable workflow. Alignment turns into acceleration. That's how AI scales across teams. Document, share, improve. Let's get started and unlock the real power of generative AI.